Hello, beautiful. We are talking about false eyelashes today. And I am Lisa DeLigori with Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective, natural beauty, a smaller, more personal brand, and all about beginners, for beginners, false eyelashes. And the key word here is practice. So I want to show you first the tools of the trade for false eyelashes, okay? You will still need your, mascara and your eyelash curler. You will need eyelashes and eye glue, eyelash glue. Am I forgetting anything else? You can see, I think those are the tools. You're going to apply your mascara as per normal. That's the first step. And it seems weird, it seems counterintuitive that you would apply mascara underneath your lashes. And do you have to as a beginner? No. There was, when I first started experimenting with false eyelashes, and I did it when I couldn't use my lash serum anymore. And if you know my lash journey, you remember what I've shared with you, and you can also go to the Simple Beauty blog and look up lash journey on the blog, do a search, and it'll pull up all my tips and tricks on lashes, because I've gone through quite a bit. So in between lash serum and lash extensions, I started playing with eyelashes. And at first I did not apply mascara. I just didn't. I just wanted to see if I could put the darn things on my eyes. So, but best practice is to curl your lashes as you would if you normally do, and to apply your mascara. Now, do I do a full dramatic mascara application? No, but I do put on some mascara and I do curl my lashes. And I have done that on both eyes, curled and applied mascara. And then I have one eye with the lashes on so you could see the before and after. And then you apply your lashes. So let's talk a bit about that. Okay. I've also been experimenting with lashes, which lashes are great. And there's so many out there, and everybody has a different eye shape and everyone has a different desire. I want something fairly natural, but for things like a video that I'm filming, I might want a little more drama. So there's a lot of options. As I find them, I put them in the Simple Beauty Minerals lash shop, Amazon lash shop. So the one I have on today is by Velour. I like this brand a lot. I like it for beginners because you don't have to trim it. A lot of eyelashes you buy, you have to trim it to the size of your eye, because you don't want lashes coming down here, because then it makes your eyes look droopy, and what we want to do is lift up, and you don't want them coming too close in here, because then you feel like you have a caterpillar crawling around on your eye. It's really annoying. So you often have to trim on the outside, okay, to size them. These, I don't know how they do that, and this is the one I have on, obviously. You don't need to trim. Kind of handy. The con about these is that they are mink, so I'm not completely fond of that, and I'm going to look for a replacement. These are human hair. I'm okay with that, more natural, and so there, you can decide what it is you like. There's also synthetic lashes, but I find the human hair feel and look more natural, but I haven't exhausted in my search. So I'm going to apply the Velour brand, mostly because this is what I've been working with, and lashes can be used over and over and over and over again, okay? You don't use them once and then toss them. So I'm going to continue using these, and then I'm going to move into the red cherry, play with this. I've heard good things, and I will continue to experiment and keep you updated as I do with lash serum growth, right? Okay, so I am going to, let's see, you can cut them to size if you need to, and what you want to do is gently, and you store your lashes in the case, okay? And that keeps the shape in between uses. So that's very important. And you want to gently remove them off the case. Especially the first time you use it, they can be pretty stuck on there, and you don't want to distort or tweak the shape of the eyelashes. So you want to be very, very gentle when you pull it off, especially for the first time. And if they do get stuck after that, after several uses, just be very gentle when you remove it from the case. That's first. Okay, now we're going to apply a thin layer of glue, and there's some different glue options. I have, this one is House of Lashes, which I picked up at Sephora. I have a new one that I want to try, which is a cleaner brand, a better for sensitive eyes, and I haven't gotten it yet because I'm going to use this one up. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just get it and try it and let you know, but we'll see. So you want to apply, oh, did I show you this as the tool? You need your eyelash. I think I forgot to show you that. I can't remember. Help me out. You need an eyelash application tool. And do you need it? No. Is it easier? Yes. So much easier. Just saying. Okay. So I'm going to take a little bit of lash glue. Okay. And I'm going to apply it to the base of the lashes. I never thought I would do this tutorial because it takes such concentration for me to do eyelashes because I don't do them. Oh, hi, I'm glad you're here. Hi, Dana, welcome. I don't do them all the time. So when you do lashes every day, it would get much easier, right? Anything that you practice and do more often becomes a habit and it's much easier to do. But when you do them less seldom and not often enough, and it's not as easy to do every time. So here, okay. Now this is what you do. You want to put your glue on and then you want to wait 30 seconds. You want to let the glue dry a little bit. If you put the glue on and then go right to your eye, it's just, it's not going to stick. It's going to slide around. It's going to move. You don't want to do that. You want to wait 30 seconds for it to get a little bit tacky. So it's still sticky, but not wet. I have no idea how many seconds I've just been chatting for, so I'm gonna give it a few more. I'm sticking to my chair because it's hot and I'm in shorts, ouch. Okay, you didn't need to know that, sorry, TMI. All right, so I'm holding it with the applicator, and now I am going to go in, I'm gonna put a clip in my hair so that you can see better. Okay, hope that works. All right, now you want the narrower end on the inside, makes sense, right? You don't want a lot of fluttery lashes on the inside, and you want the fuller end on the outside. When placing, you don't want to go too far inside. Again, that will feel like you have a caterpillar in your eye, and you don't want to go too far outside. It'll feel like it'll bring everything down. It'll feel droopy. Okay, so it's tricky in the placement. I think I better put this on now. So this is where it takes lots and lots of practice. So I'm just going to go in. I'm thinking you guys can see. And now I'm going to take this and squeeze it together. And you see, okay. That is me being a little nervous about applying eyelashes on camera. I'm going to go back to my old-fashioned way. Okay, so there, it was tacky but not too wet. Now I'm going to go in, and I'm also not sure if you can see this, so squeeze them together. Now you can take the other end and you press, and see that went up a little too high, so I'm going to just, when you put them on at first, you have 30 seconds of wiggle time where it's not completely dry. See, I would move that down there and press it on. Hard to do this this way. You get the idea though. Okay, now I'm going to take a spoolie and I'm just going to kind of work them in together. All right. And there you have an eyelash. You got 2 false eyelashes on. Well, you have 1. I have 2 now. So let me see if I got everything. And what questions does this bring up? I want to circle back to the practice. It really, thanks Patsy, it's really important to just keep practicing, like anything. Your eyeshadow tutorials, you know, applying your mascara, everything takes practice, and this is not an exception. This is just something you have to do over and over and over again, and you won't have, you won't be on cameras. You won't be a little bit excited about the process. So, thin layer of glue, wait 30 seconds, position it above the natural lash line as close as possible using the tool. That's really helpful. It really is helpful. And then squeeze them together so that the lash, so you're merging your lashes in with the false eyelashes. What else? If you didn't get it in the right placement, just peel it off. You could try to do it again without reapplying glue, but when you're practicing, it's okay if you have to do a little bit more glue and reapply, practice. Don't do false eyelashes when you're going out to a big event or you're going out to dinner or something and you want to try false eyelashes. I mean, it may work and it may not. So just practice beforehand. If you haven't laid them down perfectly, like I said, you have a few like 15, 20 seconds to play around with it or gently peel them off and reapply. And you can reuse your lashes. All right, so later on when I take these off, I'm going to gently peel them off and I'm going to roll off with my fingers the extra glue that's on there. There'll be some excess glue and I'm just gonna gently roll it off, and then I'm gonna put them back in their case and put them to bed. My mom had a million of these eyelash cases. I used to use them when I played with dolls. Just an aside. Back into the container, remove excess glue, and practice. I mean, it is as simple as that. So, what you need again are your lashes, your eyelash application tool. This one is by Ardell. It is in the Simple Beauty Minerals Amazon shop. I love it. And then you have the tool to apply, to put your, to merge your lashes, your real lashes and your false eyelashes together, and the tool on the other end, which helps to press the lash line in. Now, don't ever use metal like tweezers. Do not use tweezers when you're doing this. Can you imagine if you poked your eye? And it wouldn't be that hard to do. Patsy, do you recommend any particular eyelash, or have I missed that? So I was saying that I'm still working on the eyelash recommendation. This is the one, and I think Patsy, we talked about this. This is Velour. It's in the Amazon Simple Beauty Minerals shop. The only thing, I love everything about it. It feels really lightweight on. I hardly feel, it looks fairly natural. It's dramatic, but I still feel like it looks natural. It feels very comfortable, but it's mink. So I'm looking for a replacement for that now. I have found the Red Cherry brand. Also, this is a little pricier, although you get repeated use out of it. I have been really happy with them, so I'm conflicted. This is human hair, and I haven't tried it yet, but it is next on my list. This will be what I try next. So I will, if you look in the Amazon shop, the Simple Beauty Minerals Amazon shop, I'll link to it above, you'll find both of these, and I am continually looking for others to find the best one. It's a very personal thing, much like mascara is. And like I said before, but you probably missed it, everyone's eye shape is different. Everyone is looking for a different, you know, somewhat dramatic, somewhat very natural. So it's all very, very personal choice, but I am working with that. Okay, and eyelash glue. I have a new eyelash glue in the Amazon shop. Haven't tried it yet, full disclosure, but it's a cleaner, more, a better glue for sensitive eyes. This is House of Lashes. I've been happy with it, but I just want you to know there's another option. And I think what I wanted to do before we close is I'm going to put a little more Fabulous liner on. Okay, I'm using the fine angle brush. Oh, let's do this again. Clip my hair back. Did I say this, that you would do your eye makeup, you do your lashes, you do your eye makeup first. You put your shadow and your liner on first, you curl your lashes, you do your mascara, then you put your eyelashes on. But if you want to touch up a little eyeliner afterwards, you can certainly do that. Maybe you want to add a little more up top and maybe go a little more emphasis on the bottom. Maybe, you know, what happens is you put lashes on and then it's like, wow, I have more drama on my eyes, I need more eyeliner. So then you can go in and touch up with your eyeliner if you can. You can even touch up your eyeshadow, but mostly eyeliner, I think. And that's what I have for you for false eyelashes. I hope it's helpful. And I think I'm looking down at my lashes to make sure, yeah, and they look good. And I am here for questions. If you are new and you don't follow along on a regular basis, make sure you're on the Simple Beauty Minerals Facebook page. Give a like, a follow, make sure your notifications are set so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And YouTube, Simple Beauty Minerals on YouTube, make sure you follow there. What I do is I take these videos, I edit them, make them more streamlined, and there they are on YouTube. And of course, the Simple Beauty blog, simplebeautyminerals.com. All our tutorials are there as well. So thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.